welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Have you ever wondered how to add something to your existing Amazon shopping list, also known as the Alexa shopping list? Here's how to do it. First, find the item you want to add to the list, in this case, milk. Then go towards the right-hand side of the screen and look for Add to Alexa List, which is right here, notice right there. Okay, and then press Add to Alexa List and the item will be added. Item added to list. Okay. Now, to use the Alexa list, look towards the top of the screen for Alexa lists, and you will see that the item was added. See, there it is. Now, notice the shop list button towards the top of the screen. When the button is enabled, the items can be added to your cart. Without it, the list can be edited. So I'm going to take it off. Now, you notice that there is red earrings on my list. I added those a while ago and then received them as a gift so I can remove them from the list, like so. Delete. Now they're deleted. The other thing you can do is you can mark something that's already been purchased. Like I bought rice the other day, just the regular market, so I'm going to mark that off the list as being completed. Notice it's completed. Okay, and now I'm going to put the shop list back on, and you can see I could add things to the list. Okay, that's it. I hope this was informative for you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.